Hi everyone, on Windows 11, the Search Highlights feature in the Windows search experience shows periodic updates to help you discover more, be connected, and stay productive. The feature is on the right side, and it can show notable moments, including holidays, anniversaries, and other educational moments locally and worldwide. In addition, you will find today's moment and daily content like Word of the Day, Microsoft Rewards, trending searches, and more. On the left side of the search interface, the experience will list recent apps, files, settings, and websites that allow you to pick tasks quickly where you left off. You can also use Microsoft Search in the organization if you use a work or school account. If the Search Highlights feature isn't for you, Windows 11 includes an option to disable the feature for a more traditional experience. Once disabled, the space will include a section showing search suggestions and your top apps. This guide will teach you the steps to manage the Search Highlights feature for search on Windows 11. Use these steps. First, open Settings on Windows 11 and click on Privacy and Security. Next, under the Windows Permissions section, click the Search Permissions setting. Next, under the More Settings section, turn off the Show Search Highlights toggle switch. Once you complete the steps, the search box will no longer show highlights or recent files in the left pane.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.